Do you need some new tyres for your SUV? Check out this video to find out why you might want to look out for Zeta Impero tyres. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. And like the title states, in this video we're going to be looking at some SUV tyres, and these are the Zeta Impero tyres. Now I'd like to start this video by saying, whilst I was given these tyres for a 3-month review, which I've already posted on my channel, I'm not actually affiliated with the business for ongoing sales, so this is my true and final thoughts on the tyres. So as I just mentioned, I have had these tyres on test for just over 3 months now, and I've covered about 4,000 kilometres on them, and as you can see, they're wearing really well, which is one of the great selling points of these tyres. Looking at the tread wear that we've got, I would imagine I'm going to get at least 30 to 50,000 kilometres out of these tyres. Now, the Zeta Impero tyres are about 2/3 the price of some of the big name brands, and from what I've seen so far, the quality is really good, and it's a very well balanced tyre as well. Check out some of my other videos to find out why. Now, I've had these on the car, they're exactly the same size as the original tyres, so I haven't changed anything there, and they've been really good. So especially performing really well in the wet. So I've done a lot of highway driving, done a lot of urban driving, so that's kind of the main mixture of the driving I do in my SUV. I don't really take it off-road too much, although I do sometimes tow my caravan across paddocks and stuff like that. So they've mainly been on the road, and for that purpose they've been really good. Now I live in Brisbane, Australia, so the temperature of the road is always quite warm as well. So it's about 35 degrees Celsius right now. So just bear in mind, when I have tested these tyres, I haven't tested them in the colder weather, so I don't actually know how they perform in that colder weather. But as you can see, there's 4 longitudinal deep grooves that run all the way along the tyre, and that is what gives you that ultimate performance in the wet weather as well. So it allows the water to channel away, and then it uses the side grooves to push it away from the tyre. And compared to my previous big brand tyres, which didn't perform very well in the wet at all, these have really outdone themselves. So I'm really happy with my purchase so far. Now, the other thing that I've really liked about these tyres as well is the road noise that I'm getting from them. So on the specifications, it does say that they perform about 72 decibel road noise, which is really quiet in the cab. So I've noticed going from my old tyres, which were, again, was a big name brand, they were really noisy, especially when they were getting to their legal wear limits. Now, obviously these are brand new tyres, so you'd expect their better performance. Just taking a closer look at the tyre, you can see they're actually quite a nice looking tyre. Not that that's an important factor, but they do have kind of a checkered flag detail there. It says Zeta in quite large letters, and then obviously Impero, which is the model of tyre. So there is an inside and an outside of the tyres, so make sure you put them on the right way round, or make sure your garage does. So let's recap. They have really good performance in the hot weather and wet weather. The road noise is really minimal from these tyres, and also they're wearing really evenly, they're really well balanced, and these have done about that 4,000 kilometres and they almost look like new. So from all of those, I would say that they are performing really well as a tyre. And just remembering, they're about 2/3 the cost of some of the bigger brands as well. And now I won't actually go into the price of these, because I'd like you to do your own searches on that, bearing in mind that you could be in a different country as well. So just looking at it from my point of view, they're 2/3 the price. Now I will be using these tyres again, and I would recommend that you do as well, but obviously you can do your own market research. I can't actually say that these are the best tyres for that price point, because I haven't tested all of the other tyres in that price point, but they do exactly what I want from a tyre, so I can't really ask for anything more, and I couldn't imagine a better tyre at that price point. So if you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, including the full review videos on these tyres, and then subscribe to my channel.